Leo, how are you doing? It's been quite
I'm
some
good.
time
I'm
since
good.
we met. Yeah, and
Yeah, yeah.
I've been missing you since the last classes that I had in, in the south of Delhi. Unfortunately, the COVID hit, and I couldn't, go for higher instruction classes that you have. It's incredible. Your hypnosis class was awesome. As a matter of fact, I use it
Yes.
daily for myself.
Okay,
And
that's great.
yeah. So okay, guys, whoever listening, all the astrology fans and all the Shandilya astrology people, this is an incredible day because today I've got my mentor and perhaps one of the best hypnotists in the world, I can say. As far as I'm concerned, he's the best, and the world also thinks that he's Magic Leo. He's going to be joining us for a full one-day webinar on 3rd of October. On this webinar would be on the topic of tackling depression and negative thinking. Now, this is a topic that we all are, somewhere touched, whether it's ourselves or our friends or our society, and the times are like this. We can go out anyway. We can go out for a vacation. We can meet our friends. We can have a party. So this whole aura of negativity and depression and regression are, really eating our minds. So keeping those disorders in mind, I brought Magic Leo to Shandilya Astrology, and we're going to have a ball. And he's going to give his deep psychological understanding of how to tackle depression right there and then. So Magic Leo, welcome to Shandilya Astrology webinar. It's going to happen on 3rd.
Thank you.
And it will be an awesome webinar, I'm sure, and the people are really waiting. So it's all yours, Magic Leo. So
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Subrata. And it's really nice to see you again. And thanks for asking for my presence. Well, my name is Leo. People call me Magic Leo because I'm an international magician as well as hypnosis mentor, and it's been like 30 years I'm into this. I'm training people on hypnosis nowadays, and yeah, uh, this is the time hypnosis is going to be at its boom, because everyone is looking forward for getting rid of their mind related limitations, and a lot of news is coming in, making them go depressed, and making them think about uncertainty a lot. Now what is going to happen? Everything is going down, business is going down, everything is going down. See, everything has come up also because of we wanted, and no matter no matter what happens, if we really want, we can come up. See, for me also, I was conducting hypnosis workshop, as Subrata said. He has attended my hypnosis workshops. I conduct 2 days hypnosis workshop, live workshop. Now I'm shut down in my house. You cannot go out, but I didn't stop. I thought this is the greatest opportunity for me to flourish like anything, because if I'm conducting a workshop in Delhi, I can do it, and I can do it with Delhi people only. I cannot do it with Bangalore. Today, it's like a blessing for me. I know a lot of people have been highly affected by this corona and pandemic, but for me, I just thought that what can I do, and I just came to understand this is the time a hypnotist needs to take responsibility for this society. And I started teaching one of my the best ever I have ever taught, which is called eye gaze hypnosis. You can see that. And with eye gaze hypnosis, a lot of people are coming out from their problems. There are a lot of relationship problems. There are a lot of self problems, depression, as Subrata said. No, depression is happening. panic is happening, fear is happening. So all these things can be cured by hypnosis. And as I say that I always invite astrologers also for my workshop, because you know what, astrologers are traditional psychologists, you know. I don't know
True,
whether you take it
true,
in that
true,
sense.
true, true. Yeah,
This is
absolutely,
what I
absolutely.
always think. Like, you know, see, even in medical science also there is something called placebo effect. And when some authoritative person says that, see, if you do this things instead of medicine, if you do this puja with your wholeheartedness, you will get rid of it, you know. So I invite as many astrologers as possible, as many other therapy people as possible, uh, other people as possible, so that everyone can use this hypnosis and cure people mentally. You know, physically doctors are there to cure, but mentally they can cure. So this is my idea, and I'm making use of to reach as many people as possible all over the India, all over the world, so that I can take care of their mind, I can share my knowledge, and I can take care of their mind. Yeah.
Fantastic,
So
fantastic, Leo, fantastic.
yeah.
Uh, uh,
So once again, I just thank Subrata for a lot of people do invite me for such kind of meetings, so that people can find some solace. People can. This is I guess hypnosis is for empowering yourself as well as empowering others. So I teach this I guess hypnosis to as many people, so that they can also empower others. They can take care of their own family. You know.
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely. And as you rightly said about astrology, let me add some basic things like true astrology is a kind of traditional psychology. It also uses stuff like self hypnotic suggestions like please correct me if I'm wrong, Leo. That is
Yeah.
mantras,
Yeah. Please.
japas. So these are
Yeah.
kind of self-inducing hypnotic effects. And
Yeah.
also, we're going to talk about non-traditional the concepts in when we are going to talk about astrology, because the whole idea of bringing hypnosis and astrology probably the first time in the world of astrology, the first time in the world of astrology is going to come together, simply because we need to find opportunities. We need to, we need to expand our mind and expand astrology science, expand the hypnosis science. Who knows? There's always a connection. The Vasudha Kutumbakam. We are all connected, and it's gonna affect. I mean, I'm dealing in sun and moon. The moon is a karaka of my mind. Hypnosis is a karaka of the mind. People do hypnosis through their eyes. Eyes is the karaka of sun. So already, the things are connected. So if I can give empowered my son, then obviously it will affect the darkness of my mind. That is the darkness of the Chandrama. How is Chandrama? When is Chandrama the most beautiful? In Purnima, that is when the sun is reflecting its light on the moon. So moon is my mind. So you need to strengthen your sun. The tips like this we're going to work out, and also when we are going to mix the hypnosis, I think it's going to be wonderful for people to understand and treat themselves. There's one question though, Leo, I like to ask. Generally,
Yeah.
hypnosis is done physically one to one, the same as I attended your course. And yes, Leo, I will be attending your I guess technique. So probably today I'm going to make the necessary arrangement and formalities, complete the formalities. So my
Sure.
question is,
Sure.
traditionally is one to one. So what is your experience in hypnosis when you're doing it on Zoom? That is, in internet where people are not exactly
Yeah.
one to one.
It's the same thing actually. See, there is a see in between. If even if you're doing one to one, of course you can touch that person, or you can
Yeah,
give
yeah,
some
yeah.
tap and all in the third eye, and all
Yes.
those things are there. But still, through Zoom, that is the only touch part is only kind of not there. Otherwise, we use eyes and Words are the main thing for hypnosis. You can self hypnotize yourself with using audio also. So words are more than enough actually. and
Okay.
and if
Okay.
you can when the person is in trance, his eyes is always closed. So main thing is that I can see that the person is not tripping down or something like that, and I can take care
Okay.
of it. it's
Okay.
it's uh, it's actually more effective, I guess. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Wow. 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 That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question, Magic. Just a curiosity. When I'm talking, when I'm going to take the eye gaze hypnosis, uh, how will it help me? I mean, generally, if I'm going to gaze, I'm going to gaze to somebody else. It's not to me. How can I cannot gaze on myself? Or is there a way to gaze on myself?
Yeah, actually, we teach one technique in which you will be see, right now COVID is happening, Corona
Yeah.
is there. You cannot go and hypnotize others. Then how will you master the hypnosis? That's where
Oh.
the eye gaze hypnosis technique comes in hand.
Oh. Okay.
That there is only one technique which, see, nowadays people don't have so much of time to do different techniques and practice and all. This one technique can take care of you for self hypnosis as well as hypnotizing others. If you
Wow.
practice this eye gaze hypnosis, eye gaze self hypnosis, you will be mastering hypnotizing others also.
Okay. And this technique is easy. The things are available with me right
it's
now.
it's very easy and very well explained, and very easy to do. Only you need 20 minutes. If you can spend a day out of
Okay.
24 hours,
Wow.
if you spend 20 minutes, you can be the master. And
Okay.
the all the techniques taught in I guess hypnosis are very logical. We don't talk about anything which you need to believe or anything.
Okay.
We talk about five senses, which will be perceived by five senses, which will be perceived by your scientific logical what is that reasoning.
Reasoning. Right.
And even if I touch some spiritual stuffs like Krishna, Mahabharata and Ramayana also, I'll be talking very scientifically, nothing spiritual. We say that
Right. Right.
nothing
Right.
official about it, so there is nothing spiritual about it over here, but
Right.
very logically
Right.
explained. People change. Most of the participants who join I guess hypnosis workshop is from from the word of mouth only they are joining.
Wow. Wow. Yes.
Previous
Yes.
participants join, they see the change. Either they see the change in their spouse or wife or
Yes.
husband, and the wife thinks that, wow, this in 7 days my husband
Okay.
changed. Why don't I join?
All right.
Something
All right.
really good
Yes.
is it.
Yeah. Yes.
That is
I,
what's
I
happening.
think Leo, that is what happens when you follow as you said, logical reasoning, reasoned way paths towards a subject. Even in
Yeah.
astrology, you won't believe the kind of referral I get, because simply, and they ask the first thing that they don't ask other astrologers, ki, how did you come to this conclusion? And I give them
Mm.
very logical answer. Just as I was talking about moon and full moon, and how it gets, the moon doesn't have its own light, it gets reflected. So if my heart, if my man, if my brain is moon, so it does not have its own strength, it needs a strength from outside, so and so forth. So anything that is logical actually creates a new niche, and that is what Shandilya astrology has always been, and that is my path has always been to don't go for hocus pocus nonsense, the things that has been around astrology. And astrologers are so much restricted, they don't go out anywhere, they don't connect with any other science. I have been trying to, connect with all sorts of people, scientific people, astronomers, hypnotists, just like you. And I hope that we're gonna have much more sessions like this. So, Leo, finally, our session is going to happen on third, and I hope you guys who are listening to us join with your friends, families, refer this link to other people, join as many, free of cost. We are not charging
Yeah.
anything right now. So, and Leo's going to give you incredible tips. It will transform your life. And then, of course, you can join him for a major elaborate course. So before I end this, Leo, what is your, can you give us the dates of upcoming courses?
The upcoming course of mine is on 1st of October till 7th of October. That is a 7 days course. And it happens at in the morning, like 6 a.m. till 7:30. That is the timing. Okay, every day, 7 days, every day 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Sometimes it goes till 8. And talking about the program we are going to do on the 3rd of October, right?
October, yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So 3rd of October. After that, we will have another course, so which will be on the 3rd Thursday. It's always on first Thursday and third Thursday of every month. So I have 2 workshops every month. And talking about the program on 3rd, what will be means from my side, I'll be giving you very logical reasoning for why you should learn, or everyone should learn hypnosis. It's always good if everyone knows hypnosis, and if everyone takes it as a lifestyle, the world will be beautiful. That's what I can promise. The world will be beautiful, actually. That's how I guess hypnosis, the techniques are. Actually.
So any of our courses are running right now, or you are over with the batches?
Right now, I finished my actually that I have conducted 11 batches and over 100 people. Right,
wow.
Means just last batch, I trained 100 people on eye gaze hypnosis. They are using it on their own self. Most of them came to join eye gaze hypnosis for self-improvement, self-empowerment, and some of them are taking it as some doctors, Ayurvedic doctors have taken it as a part to enhance their healing problem, healing system. So it's really nice going. Anyway.
Very nice, excellent, great. Thank you, Leo. Thank you for joining us. So I'm signing off, and saying goodbye to all the people who are going to listen to this. Please join us on 3rd. We will be, more than happy to help you out any way we can. Shandilya Astrology has always have the motto to help people first. People comes first. Business comes second. That's what I have been after. That is why I have not made big money. Okay, I'm still sitting in my chamber with all these boards and drawings, looking like a scientist or something. So I'm not intended in making a big money. All I'm intention is be happy myself and make you guys happy. So if you can, if I can even contribute a little bit. So
it's always good to spread the news. Not only you, bring everyone. It's a matter of 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, maybe 1 hour.
1 hour.
We'll be having a chat, and as you can learn about scientifically about astrology, you can learn about hypnosis also scientifically, and there are a lot of things which we doesn't know. So we as a researcher, we just want to spread the word, spread the knowledge to everyone. So be there. It's free of cost. So this is magically you're signing off for the time being. See you on 3rd. See you on 3rd.
Thank you. Okay, bye bye. This is Subrata.
At 7 p.m. right? 7 p.m.
Yeah, 7 p.m. The details will be in the post. And if you have any problem, just call on the numbers that are displayed in the post as well as on this video ticker. Thank you very much, guys. See you all.
Thank you, Subrata.
Thank you.